Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you subscribe to Copilot Pro, but when you open Word or Excel, the Copilot button is nowhere to be found. So this is a common issue. For example, I'm just gonna go here. I have to go to Word. Okay, it's just gonna wait for it to be fully open. As you see, I have the 2019 version. And basically, there is no Copilot button. You're gonna be asking why and how. So for me, I don't actually have the latest version. So to actually access these features, you have basically, or you should have basically the latest update and the 365 Microsoft, including Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and all of this. So you should also understand the requirement. You should know this is a standard Microsoft 365 family operating subscription, does not include Copilot built into the desktop apps. You need a separate Copilot Pro subscription on top of your Microsoft 365 one to unlock Copilot in Word, Excel, and even PowerPoint. So go now and subscribe to Copilot Pro if you haven't already. Go to the Microsoft Copilot Pro page, sign in with your Microsoft account, and start the free trial or purchase the subscription. If you have a Microsoft 365 family subscription, each family member who wants to use Copilot Pro needs their own separate subscription. Then you have to update your Office apps. You need the latest version of Office on the current channel for Copilot to appear. Go to File, Account, Update Options, then Update Now, and let Office finish updating. Then you can restore all apps after the update. It's time now to enable connected experiences. Copilot requires connected experiences to be turned on. Open Word by going to File, Account Privacy, Manage Settings, and make sure Turn on Experiences that analyze your content is fully enabled. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.